Albania, a country where mountains rise sharply into the sky and fall toward the Adriatic Sea, creating a landscape shaped by contrast, history, and light. Along this coastline, the journey leads south to Qerret, a quiet stretch of shore where the sea opens into long, calm beaches. Just south of Golem, the atmosphere begins to change. The crowds grow smaller, the pace slows, and the Adriatic stretches endlessly beside a long ribbon of golden sand. This is Qerret, one of Albania's fastest-growing coastal destinations, where modern resorts meet a peaceful beach lifestyle. A wide palm-lined promenade runs along the shoreline, inviting visitors to walk for kilometers beside the sea. Cafés, restaurants, ice cream stands, and family-owned shops line the waterfront. Creating a relaxed atmosphere from morning until late into the evening. One of the area's landmarks is Brilliant Hotel and Spa, a beachfront resort offering sea view rooms, multiple swimming pools, restaurants, a rooftop bar, a spa, and direct access to the Adriatic. The hotel has become one of Qerret's best-known destinations for both Albanian and international visitors. Guests are welcomed with stylish rooms and suites, many offering sweeping views of the sea. The hotel features a private sandy beach, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, a modern wellness spa, fitness facilities, and restaurants serving both Albanian specialties and international cuisine. The Brilliant Hotel is surrounded by palm-lined walkways and the gentle rhythm of the Adriatic, making it an ideal destination for both relaxation and exploration. Brilliant Hotel offers a peaceful escape while remaining just a short drive from the vibrant city of Durrës. Walking along the promenade, you'll pass stylish beachfront hotels, welcoming apartments, lively beach bars, and restaurants serving freshly caught seafood. Traditional Albanian dishes and Mediterranean cuisine. Nearby resorts such as Alexander Resort, Supreme Hotel, and Bounty Hotel continue to transform this stretch of coastline into one of the country's most popular holiday destinations. Merar Hotel has become one of the area's most popular modern beachfront escapes. This elegant four-star hotel is known for its spacious rooms, many featuring balconies with sea views, along with its private beach, contemporary restaurant, and welcoming atmosphere. Combining comfort with easy access to the Adriatic coastline, Merar offers visitors a relaxing retreat. Whether they're enjoying a summer holiday, a family getaway, or simply watching the sunset over one of Albania's fastest-growing seaside destinations. For many visitors, Qerret isn't about rushing from one attraction to another. It's simply a place to slow down, enjoy the sea breeze, and experience the relaxed rhythm of Albania's beautiful coastline. Supreme Hotel is known for its modern design, welcoming atmosphere, and convenient location, just steps from Qerret's sandy beach. Overlooking the Adriatic Sea, Gloria Palace Hotel is known for its modern elegance, beachfront setting, and comfortable accommodations, offering guests a relaxing escape in the heart of Qerret's beautiful coastline. One of Qerret's newest beachfront destinations is the Bounty Hotel, a modern four-star retreat known for its stylish design and direct access to the Adriatic Sea. Blending contemporary comfort with a relaxed coastal atmosphere, it has quickly become a favorite for travelers seeking peaceful beaches, elegant accommodations, and unforgettable sunsets along Albania's growing seaside resort. As the day comes to an end, Qerret reveals one of its greatest attractions. The sun slowly sinks into the Adriatic, painting the sky with brilliant shades of gold, orange, and crimson. Along the promenade, families and couples gather to watch the final light reflect across the calm sea, a peaceful ending to another summer day on Albania's coast. As the sun begins to set, the beach takes on a different character. Families gather for evening walks, cafés fill with conversation. And the sky glows with shades of orange and pink reflected across the calm Adriatic Sea. From the relaxing beaches of Qerret to the country's rich history, dramatic landscapes, and welcoming people, Albania is a place full of unforgettable experiences. As our journey through Qerret and Albania's beautiful coastline comes to an end, we're reminded that some of the best destinations are the ones that remain peaceful and unspoiled. As the sun sets over Albania's coastline and mountains, the journey comes to a close. From the Adriatic shores to the quiet inland roads, every place has carried its own rhythm, its own story, cities, villages, and shorelines fall quiet beneath the evening sky. What remains is not just what was seen, but what was felt. Hospitality, contrast, and a landscape shaped by time and resilience. And as we say goodbye to Albania, it feels less like an ending and more like a place we carry with us. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and we'll see you in the next journey.